Tonka to all you who participated in our Oktoberfest build. You did some great work, or tolle Arbeit, as they'd say in Bavaria. And we hope you all had a fröhliches Oktoberfest, or happy Oktoberfest. Thanks again to Daryl at Beard Does Diecast for being our guest horseman. For November, our build theme is recreational vehicle, or RV, and we welcome Godzukidan as our guest horseman.
Remember, Four Horsemen builds are open to everyone. You don't have to have a social media platform to participate. Just send a high-quality, widescreen glamour shot of your build to fourhorsemendiecast@gmail.com to be included in our recap videos. We need those by the build due date. If you are uploading, be sure to use hashtag #4HorsemenDiecast so we can all find your stuff.
To recognize those talented builders who participate in Four Horsemen builds regularly, we developed the Horseshoe Awards. A horseshoe is earned based on the number of builds someone participates in dating back to January 2023. You get a bronze horseshoe after participating in 6 builds. Silver horseshoes go to those who have completed 12 builds. Gold horseshoes are earned after participating in 24 builds. Platinum horseshoes go to those who have completed 36 builds. And diamond horseshoes are awarded to builders who have participated in 48 Four Horsemen Diecast community builds.
We would love to see your builds in next month's challenge. Check out the schedule for the Four Horsemen at Four Horsemen Diecast on YouTube. Thank you and cheers.